Hey everyone, so it's me. I'm still alive. Hell of a year we're having, huh? But anyway, as you can see, I'm doing okay. It's been 4 months out, and I know I'm a hell of a procrastinator, but I'm doing good. The scar's healing. It's flat, but I still have the line there, but I don't care. It's gonna be what it is. It's gonna fade eventually. I'm freaking 49 years old, and hey, battle wounds, right? But anyway, as you see, the voice is back. That took a couple of months really to heal up. It's not totally, I'm not gonna say it's totally healed up, because every now and then I do get like a knot feeling like right here, but it's nothing to be concerned about. I don't think. Doctor says it's fine. He was gonna send me to a ear, nose, throat doctor, but I said, it'll heal on its own. I'm not worried about it. Now, as far as pain-wise goes, the numbness is gone. The numbness in my fingertips, thumb, are gone. However, now here's however. Now, I have a pinched nerve in my shoulder. Yay me. So most likely another surgery down the road. I'm not rushing out to get it because I'm going through it too much right now. And the way life is going, it is what it is, right? If you're having the surgery, don't panic too much. Everybody's different. Everybody heals differently. Listen to your body. Listen to your doctors. You'll get your movement back, all that. I was able to do my normal routines relatively quickly. I kind of pushed myself, yes, I won't lie. But as far as, I take care of the house. I take care of everything, mow the lawn, everything. This is what I do. It's my job. Anyway, I'm not going to make this a long-winded freaking story, but trying to think if there was any questions on the chat boards that people asked me. No, I'm not going to give out where I had my surgery done simply because of privacy reasons. However, my doctor was good. Just seek out the good doctors. Just do your research. Pain meds, I wasn't on them too long after my video that I posted. I think I took myself off maybe 2 days after that video. My pain medicines weren't that very high, so I just rely on Tylenol or Advil for pain that I have. But there is no pain in my neck. There is no numbness down my arm. Like I said, the pain that I get is from the impingement in my shoulder. That's another story, another video for another day. But as I'm going, my videos are very few and far in between these days. Hopefully, if you follow my cooking part of my channel, hopefully someday I'll get some more videos back on there. I'm trying to figure out what I'm gonna do because I just haven't been in the mood to make videos. If you have any questions that I might be able to answer, just comment below and I'll see what I can do. And let's see, anything else I can add? Yeah, as you can see, my voice is back. I am my loud person again. Still hate talking on camera, but yeah, I don't know, just, it's me. Like I said, I just wanted to give you a follow-up video just because I am still alive. I'm still healthy, dodging the sickness, we'll say. Got my own opinions on that. We won't get into that. Just take care of yourself, stay healthy. If you have a surgery coming up, prepare for it. Just, get out walking, just, be mentally prepared for it. You're not gonna not have pain. You're gonna have pain. Everybody's different though, and everybody can tolerate pain differently. I'm not gonna sugarcoat it, because yeah, they do rip your esophagus over it, and they slice you open, and but the good part of it is you don't remember the surgery. You probably won't remember recovery so much. There's just stuff you won't remember. It's just the recovery does take time. Everybody's different. That's all I can say, really. There's not much I can add to this video. So 5 minutes of rambling, we're done. Take care, everyone. Stay safe. Be well. Bye-bye.